guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I thought I would take you guys along with me while I get unready after ballet class and rehearsals. I have done a lot of ballet morning routines in the past, but I don't think I've ever done a get unready with me. So once I get home from dance class and rehearsals, I take my dog on a walk. Just like us, our animals also need exercise. Now I got home around 5 p.m. and it's already getting pretty dark since winter's just around the corner where we live in Canada. So Elsa and I went for around an hour and a half walk. We went to the beach, we went to the pier, and then we used the North Star to go back home. By the time we got back, it was around 7 p.m. I had to do some admin work, so I did that, and then it was time for dinner. Since we're approaching winter, I love having warm, hearty dinners. I actually had some curry with some couscous, spinach, some hummus, and then I of course had to have some dessert after, which was this sorbet that both me and Steve love. I used this essential oil from Sage. This is the Gratitude scent, and I absolutely love this one. It has hints of orange vanilla and a little hint of spearmint. They actually discontinued this essential oil, which makes us really sad. This was our favorite blend from Sage, but because they discontinued it, they had a 50% off sale. So Steve and I have lots of this blend in our house. Then I put my hair back so that it doesn't get all gross from this oil-based cleanser that I use on my face. I forgot to put my bangs back, and I actually couldn't find my headband until later on in this video. Regardless, I managed to take my makeup off without getting my bangs too wet and too greasy. I then cleanse my face with the facial cleanser from First Aid Beauty. It's scent-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and I find this one really digs deep into the pores and cleanses everything, all the dirt and debris that would cause acne usually. Once I've cleansed my face, I like to do a little face mask every other day. So the one that I've chosen for today is the Blue Tansy face mask from Herbivore, and I leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. This Blue Tansy Herbivore face mask smells so delicious. This natural mask gently clarifies the skin with BHAs from white willow bark, fruit enzymes, along with aloe. Once I'm done applying this face mask, I go pick out something cozy to wear when I'm fresh out of the bath, and I've been loving the Body Shop's Fuji Green Tea Shower Gel. Now, having a bubble bath after a long day of dancing and rehearsing feels so luxurious, and I feel so grateful and happy. So thank you so much, Steve, for building this beautiful bathroom for us. Guys, go comment down below if you want a bathroom tour. And obviously, Steve has to lead it. I know I've been saying that we're going to do bathroom tour, but I promise we've just been so busy, we will make a bathroom tour. Now, if my muscles are really sore, I'll also use Epsom salts. Now, I use the ones that don't have dye in them just because I find the dye actually dyes the tub. Yes, you can scrub it out, but I'm pretty lazy, so I just like to rinse it when I'm done. Once I'm done with my bath, I put on my comfy set. I actually got the set from Walmart, believe it or not, for like $5 or something, the top and the shorts included. I always sleep with my hair down because if I sleep with my hair up, it gets all crinkly and I feel like it breaks the actual hair more. So I try my best to only use claw clips from now on, just because all of my life I used hair elastics and I feel like that really wasn't good for my hair. Once my muscles are most relaxed after a nice warm bath, I like to stretch and use my Hydrogun Atom to really release all the tension I might have in my muscles. I think it's really important to stretch before bed and when you first wake up, because when we're in bed, we're not moving our body for about 8 to 9 hours or 6 to 8 hours, whatever you get in your sleep. I found since stretching before bed and when I wake up, I feel a lot less stiff in my day. After reading my poetry book, I am ready to go to sleep and wake up the next morning to do it all over again. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now.